Catch me if you can. Hey, wait for me. Oh. Are you okay? Careful, Mimi. Look over there. Wow, so many fruits. What if we make fruit cars and race them? Yay! Let's do it! Hey, that sounds fun! I'll take the banana car. It's super fast. I'll choose the carrot car. It's strong and steady. I love this one. It's so cute.
This one is big and strong. Whoa, that's a powerful car.
My banana car is ready. They look amazing. Ready, set, go soon. Ready, everyone. Woohoo!
This is fun.
Uh-oh. Let's go together. Yeah, together. We did it! All together. That was fun! I'm so tired. Me too! It's more fun racing together. Everyone on? Let's go! Ready?
Next stop, the fruit garden.
Wow, look at all the dragon fruits! So many! It's so big! Let's share! Thank you! Yummy! So sweet! Today was really fun. I hope we do it again. Good morning, little ones. Merry Christmas, everyone. Let's bake cakes and share them. Let's go together. So bright. Let's choose good things. Meow.
I'm going to make you some good fruit. I can carry it.
Yes, this is it. It's heavy. I'll help. Let's start baking. Mix gently. Meow.
Nice and smooth.
Is it ready? They look beautiful. Handle with care. Let's go! Keep going! Thank you! Thank you, children. keep sharing. We did it! It's beautiful. Let's go home. We're home. This is the best Christmas. We found it!
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
That was a close one. So tired, but so worth it.
Wow, so many strawberries!
Let's pick them.
Yo, picky say that. Look! A big one! So many strawberries! Oops!
Oh.
Yeah. So full! So full!
That's refreshing. So nice to rest here.
Let's the cake begun! Let's make a cake for Pig!
Let's start baking. Let's start baking.
So clean! Nice and neat. All set, ready for the cake. Mix it slowly.
Okay.
Oops.
All right, everyone, let's keep going for the birthday.
Almost ready. Good. Slowly. Okay. Pretty. Perfect. Careful. Is it ready yet? Wow, it's golden! Hot!
Careful.
So pretty! Perfect!
Perfect for pig.
So cute!
So cute.
It's so pretty!
Pig will be happy.
Shh!
Surprise! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wow!
Here it is! Yay! Yay! Make a wish!
Okay. Happy birthday!
Hey! For everyone!
So yummy.
Look at you! Yay! Yellow.
Good morning, Farm.
Good morning, Farm. It's milking day.
Did you hear that?
The cows are ready. Minion buckets. Pikachu stools ready. Pikachu stools. Hello, cows. Hello, easy now. Like this, slow and gentle. Close it tight.
Heavy, but okay.
Slowly. Let's go.
Off we go.
Safe trip. We're here. The milk factory. Fresh milk from our farm. Looks good. Passed. Slowly. So many milk boxes. Wow. All packed. Ready to ship.
Up it goes.
Like a Q-Tones. Stack at delivery time. Milk, please. Here you go. Thank you. Milk, milk.
Fresh today.
Thank you. All sold. Great day. Wow, morning farm. So fresh today.
Huh. Let's water the carrots.
I'll water the corn.
Huh? No water?
Mine is empty too.
That's weird.
Something's wrong. Check the tap. Only tiny drops. Uh-oh. Water can't reach here. Let's follow the canal. The canal is dry. Carrots look thirsty. Hey, look there. It's blocking the water. It's blocking the water. I'll push it. I'll help. Maybe use that stick. Maybe use that stick. Good idea. Good idea. It's moving. Water is back. It's flowing fast. The garden looks lovely. Best day ever. Let us get the cart. Hurry! Wow, minion cart. It's so cute. Let's go. Be careful. Here we go. Hold steady. Big one. Nice and fresh. Hey! Hey! Wait! Careful, stack them.
Careful back there.
All safe. Let's clean them. So spin. Carrot juice. Ready to sell. Fresh carrot juice. To the market. Let's sell them.
Nicey.
Nice and neat. Yummy. Thank you. Enjoy.
All sold out.
Great job today. Let's harvest the fruits. Wow, big carrot. I got it. All done. Let's go. Hi, SUE.
Hi, SON.
Let's help. Let's help apples. Yay! Here you go. Thank you. Careful. Okay. Nice and neat.
Nice and neat.
Yes. We did it. We did it. Yes. Careful. Okay.
Okay.
Let's wash them. Okay. Clean apples. Clean carrots. All clean. Ready. Juice time. Yay! Apple juice. Yummy! So colorful. Yum! Yum! Like! Let's bake! Yay! Stir, stir. Good job. Apples and carrots. Mix, mix. Fish, so cute. It's baking. is ready. Huh. Cakes are ready. Yummy. Yummy. Good job. Hmm?